Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy mac and cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. This simple combination ensures a creamy, delicious result every time. It's a perfect comfort food that comes together quickly, making it ideal for any weeknight meal. Next, we'll cook the pasta to perfection. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni and cook according to package directions, usually around 7 to 8 minutes until it's al dente. This means it should be tender but still have a slight bite. Once cooked, drain the pasta well, but avoid rinsing it, as the starch helps the sauce cling beautifully. Now for the star of the show, the creamy cheese sauce. In the same pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 1.5 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Remove from heat and stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. This creates a rich, velvety sauce. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your drained, cooked macaroni directly into the pot with the warm cheese sauce. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece of pasta is generously coated in that delicious, creamy goodness. Serve your easy mac and cheese immediately while it's warm and gooey. You can add a dash of black pepper or a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a touch of color and extra flavor. Enjoy your homemade comfort food.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.